Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the So Much Happy bundle from Stampin' Up. So here's the card and here's the supplies that I used to make the card. This is the So Much Happy bundle. The stamp set comes with these sayings, balloons, and stars. And there's dies to cut out the balloons and star, along with all these extra fun dies. This is definitely one of my favorite dies, the cloud dies. And there's banners, and then this happy die is super fun. You can use it for a lot of different things. On this card, I slanted it to cut out the happy, but you can also use it in other cards to just cut out straight. Or you can cut out the letters themselves, and you can use the cloud die to create a template and create layers of clouds. Lots of fun things that you can do with this bundle. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a fun background to the happy so that you can see it behind there. So I'm just going to add some adhesive back here with my new Stampin' Seal, which has been fabulous. It's nice and sticky. And then I'm gonna add some of the, let me see if I can remember the name, Playing with Patterns 6x6 Designer Series paper. Super, super cute paper. Double-sided with lots of fun designs. All right, so I'm gonna add this about here, right there. And then I've got this fun design behind my happy. Now I can add some clouds. Put this over here so I can put some adhesive on my clouds. So let's add some top clouds, and then I'll trim off the edges. And some bottom clouds. Just trim off those clouds so we have a nice edge there. And then I'm gonna add some banners for fun. I've got some Granny Apple Green and Coastal Cabana. I'm just gonna use some liquid glue and just put some dots on each of these banners. And then I'll adhere this on to the card. Let's say about so. And then we'll do that for the Coastal Cabana. There we go. And I'm not going to do the last section because I'm not going to be using it. It's going to get cut off anyway, so. Try to get that to stay stuck down. Just hold it down for a little bit. This side doesn't want to stay. All right, so trim these off a little bit. I'm gonna trim the little edges off. And then trim this one off. There we go. And then we can add these fun balloons. I love birthday cards. They are super fun to make. So let's see, we've got, okay, we're gonna do some gorgeous grape, and then we'll do Coastal Cabana up here. And then we'll do Granny Apple Green. All right, so now the last thing that I have to do is stamp birthday. And I'm gonna do that in Coastal Cabana. Coastal Cabana. Just like that. All right. So my class is supplies for 6 cards. So 2 of each of these cards. Super pretty. So when you buy the bundle, you get supplies for those cards free. Just go to my website and use this hostess code. If you already have this bundle or want a different bundle, you can place a $50 order using this hostess code and send me an email, elaine@elainescreations.net, and let me know that you want this class and I will send it to you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.